Deep in the quiet forest, beneath a massive natural stone overhang, a journey of craftsmanship begins. Armed with simple tools and a clear vision, a builder sets out to transform this raw cavern into a fairy tale home. Every strong structure begins with a solid foundation. After clearing away the loose forest soil and digging deep, thick vertical logs are anchored into the earth to establish the core skeleton of this woodland shelter. To secure the front yard, flat river rocks are collected and stacked one by one, creating a sturdy stone retaining wall.
To give the yard a touch of rustic charm, a traditional fence is woven together using slender branches cut from the surrounding woods. Each piece is meticulously interlaced to form a beautiful organic border. Next, flat stone slates are hauled from the creek bed and carefully laid out like a puzzle. This natural paved stone walkway keeps the ground clean and dry, transforming the mud-covered slope into an inviting path leading up to the cabin entrance. Within the cool shelter of the cave, the rocky floor is excavated and leveled. Slate paving stones are laid inside as well, converting the damp cavern into a solid, dry room. With the floor finished, it's time to build the first pieces of furniture. Using raw timber split down the middle with an axe, a sturdy long bench and a matching wooden stool are crafted entirely by hand. Finally, a moment of rest on the handmade bench, sharing a quiet, warm cup of coffee with a loyal canine companion. But a true home needs warmth and light. To support the heavy stone ceiling and expand the cabin, thick wooden pillars are wedged tightly between the bedrock and the floor. Next, natural clay is harvested from the nearby stream and mixed with water to create an organic masonry mortar. Layer by layer, stone and clay are combined to build a beautiful open fireplace. When the first flames are lit, the warm, crackling fire instantly breathes life and comfort into the entire cave. With the hearth complete, the front walls are raised using a traditional cordwood technique. Small rounds of logs are stacked and sealed with thick layers of mud mortar. An eye-catching circular window frame is integrated directly into the cordwood wall, decorated with radial wooden spokes to mimic a sunburst. A handmade door made of parallel wooden slats is fitted with customized wooden hinges, allowing it to swing smoothly and seal the cabin from the forest chill. The cabin is cozy, but a fairy tale kingdom requires an outdoor vantage point. Next to the cave entrance, an elevated wooden platform is built on natural tree trunks, overlooking the peaceful ravine below. On this deck, a majestic, curved high-back throne is constructed, carefully shaping split wood to conform to the massive curved log frame. A towering, incredibly comfortable chair rises from the deck, providing a peaceful sanctuary to sit and listen to the whispers of the forest.
Safety and comfort are added to the elevated deck with matching handrails and a small circular side table for hot tea. To ensure the loyal German Shepherd has a cozy home of his own, a miniature matching log cabin is constructed by hand. Complete with a gabled roof and a private entryway, the pup wastes no time moving into his customized woodland doghouse. To welcome the local woodland birds, a beautiful wooden birdhouse is crafted and mounted on a tall pole at the edge of the terrace. The surrounding yard is then landscaped, planting fresh wild ferns and a dedicated garden bed inside the woven fence. With the green foliage in place, the rustic retreat is officially complete, perfectly blending into the natural mountain environment. As evening approaches, the fireplace is loaded with seasoned wood. Fresh pork belly and potatoes are chopped and wrapped in foil, then placed directly onto the hot coals. Fresh pork skewers are slow roasted over the open flame, filling the mountain air with a savory aroma. Sitting high on the hand-carved wooden throne with a hot cup of tea and a loyal companion at his feet, the builder takes in the peaceful kingdom created from scratch, a labor of love, patience, and absolute tranquility.